Hello, my name is Kathryn from Liquid Grain, and today I am unboxing a very exciting luxury stationery box from Cloth and Paper. This is the September 2018 box, and it was the first ever kind of item and subscription service that I had done from Cloth and Paper. This is more on the high-end side of things. I think they retail for about $38 a box, and I did 3 months of this box in my testing series, as I've done with Paper Gang and others, and I thought I would go through what we got in the box with you today. So the main attraction and kind of big draw and big ticket item in this box was the 2019 spiral bound agenda, which is an A5 size and was quite a kind of big and revolutionary item for Cloth and Paper. I think it's the first time they'd done something like this, and it was really quite impressive. As you can see, you had the gold embossing in the front, got a front pocket. Inside you have a starter page and then a monthly overview for 2019. This is the weekly setup, which is more of a kind of a hybrid between a vertical and a horizontal setup, and one that has plenty of lines, and also includes a monthly view in the top left. What you're seeing now is the monthly view, and this is probably the weaker aspect of the agenda because it doesn't have a full kind of printed monthly view, because I know that is a bit trickier. Instead it's a kind of generic notes page and then upcoming events and kind of key events that you can put in there as you desire. That's us at the end of the spiral notebook there, so I've just taken it back to the front. Obviously having a wee feel of the quality, it is quite a thick cardstock on the front. It looks very nice. My only kind of wee niggle about this is that I think just the way that it was folded or pressed, it just doesn't quite line up, as you can see, so that when it's sitting normally, there's always white kind of pages showing out the side, which is a little bit annoying and something that has got worse over time. However, it's a very nice agenda. Also in the box is a little "Well, hello there" postcard, which kind of is a standard Cloth and Paper welcome card. Again, thick cardstock, kind of nice and fun. Then another postcard about being a Cloth and Paper affiliate, which I'm not because it is restricted to US residents only. But I'm sure there's plenty out there on Instagram if you would like to get kind of help an affiliate. Also included in the box were these monthly tab stickers, the kind of fold over tabs, which I actually ended up adding into the 2019 agenda. They're gold foil and yeah, handy wee monthly tabs, definitely. We also got a black pen. I think, is it a roller or it might be a gel? It's kind of one of these ones that's hard to tell, and I'm just going to test it here for you on the Cloth and Paper post-it notes which we received. These are kind of custom printed Bic post-it notes with a line section at the top and a grey kind of free space at the bottom. There's a lot of nice details in Cloth and Paper, such as little stickers that kind of everything's enclosed in, and of course the minimal look and feel about it is really lovely. And this is just a little test page here. I write my name. And Liquid Grain is how you can find me on Instagram, by the way, under my blog, liquidgrain.co.uk. For stationery and art specific, I'm Liquid Grain Pages on Instagram. And here, as you can see, I have done a little opinion there. I said it feels nice, and it's a really nice pen. So as I'm pulling this off here, it may look a little bit odd, but I'm actually testing how sticky the post-it note is, because it's nothing really worse than a post-it note that just won't stick. And yeah, it passes the test. It is nice and sticky. So that is everything we got in the September box, and I was kind of very excited and straight away grabbed my Louis Vuitton agenda. This is the desk agenda, so there's no rings in it, and this is what the 2019 spiral notebook is perfect for. It fits right in, so I just thought I would pop it in while I had the camera set up, and it just slides in the back pocket. Again, you can see the wee white outlines just where it's not sitting perfectly, but it's not that big a deal for me. I just slipped the well hello there in the front there, and there's the pen. I thought while I'm at it, let's see if we can fill anything out in the agenda. I actually ended up putting the post-it notes in that front pocket as well. And because it is quite a deep pocket, it did stay in there. It didn't kind of fall out or anything like that, which is good. And again, here's another wee pen test where I'm just writing my name on the front page of the planner. I think there's always pressure when you start to write your name on camera or in the first page of our notebook. It is always tricky. I forgot to mention that there is also a holiday page in here, but it is very American centric, so I actually ended up ripping that out after a while. And there we have it. There we are, set up with the 2018 subscription box in my Louis Vuitton desk agenda. Thank you very much for watching, and as you can see, I wasn't sure how to wave goodbye from above.